everybody, and welcome back to the Ford's Marvelous Music Room. We are so excited to see our first graders back here again. So, we are going to start today by singing a song that you might have heard of before. You might not have ever sung it in a song, but you've definitely heard of our two friends that we're going to sing about. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look up at this thing on our wall back here, and we are going to sing the shapes that we see. So if the line goes up, our voices are going to go up, and if the line goes down, our voices are going to go down. If it stays the same, our voices are going to sing the same. So we're going to do bit by bit. Will you echo me, please?
Yeah.
You can see, we're following along with what's up above us. All right, let's try it again. Ooh. Very good. Now we're going to add words to our contour. All right, here we go. Jack and Jill went up the hill.
Jack and Jill went up the hill
to fetch a pail of water.
To fetch a pail of water.
Jack fell down and broke his crown.
Jack fell down and broke his crown.
And Jill came tumbling after.
And Jill came tumbling after.
Very nice. Let's try that again. I'm gonna do bigger sections this time. You ready? Here we go. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Excellent. This time, let's do the whole thing. And can my friends at home pat with me? I know you all know how to do that. Ready? Here we go. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Excellent. Now, this time, you keep patting. I'm going to add something else. So, see if you can figure out what I add. All right, you ready? You keep patting. I'm not going to pat. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Did you notice? So what I added was snaps on water and after. So this time, let's all pat, but on those words, we'll snap. All right, ready? Here we go. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Excellent. Now, if we were at school, we'd be able to add instruments. So, Miss Ford is going to play, we have a glockenspiel here. So I'm going to play our glockenspiel, and I'm going to play both parts. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Beautiful. Okay, so that's our A section. Now we're going to learn our B section. Okay, here we go. Echo after me, please, sir. Ready? Jack went up, Jack fell down.
Jack went up, Jack fell down.
Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Jill went up, Jill went down.
Jill went up, Jill went down.
She tumbled back to town.
She tumbled back to town.
Very good. Here we go. Let's do it again. Same thing. Jack went up, Jack went down.
Jack went up, Jack went down.
Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Jill went up, Jill went down.
Jill went up, Jill went down.
She tumbled back to town.
She she tumbled back to town.
Very good. Bigger sections. Ready? Jack went up, Jack went down. Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Jack went up, Jack fell down. Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Jill went up, Jill went down. She tumbled back to town.
Jill went up, Jill fell down. She tumbled back to town.
Very good. Let's try the whole thing. You ready? Jack went up, Jack fell down. Poor old Jack, he broke his crown.
Jill went up, Jill fell down. She tumbled back to town.
Excellent. So that is our B section. So, what we're going to do is we are going to sing our song, then we are going to say our B section, and then we're going to go back to our A section, which is our song. You got it? Here we go.
So we're going to do an A section, then a B
A
section.
section, B section, A section.
Back to singing. Okay.
Ready? Ready? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Jack went up, Jack fell down. Poor old Jack, he broke his crown. Jill went up, Jill fell down, and tumbled back to town.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Woohoo! That was awesome. I'm sorry you guys couldn't play the instrument part with me, but maybe next year we can review this one and play it with the instruments. Alrighty. Next we have a very fun thing. But first, we need to read these rhythm cards that are up on the wall. So, let's read the top one. Are you ready, Mr. Ford? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Top, top, top. You got that one? Let's do it one more time. Ready? Here we go.
Ta, ta, ta.
Very good. Okay, here's the next one. 1, 2, ready, go. T, 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 top. 1, 2, here again. T, T, top. Very, very good. All right, last one down here at the bottom. Then we'll be ready to start. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ta, T, T, top. Let's do it one more time. Ready, go. Ta, ta, T, T, top. Very good. Okay, I need you to echo after me.
Okay.
All right,
Sounds
are
good.
you ready? You echo after me too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Johnny caught a flea.
1, 2, 3. Johnny caught a flea.
Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee.
Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee.
Very good. That's it. That's the whole thing. Ready? Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Johnny caught a flea. Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee. You got it? Let's try it again. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Johnny caught a flea. Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee. Very good. Now, the next part. How many of you, I hope a lot of you, made instruments at home?
Mm-hmm. If not, go look.
Yeah, you can go back to the video. Maybe I'll put like a
Well,
link or
to
something right here. If you haven't made an instrument yet, you can make one. Now, you could even find other things in your house that work with this, but it's easier if you have an instrument. Okay, so we have some different instrument families. So we've learned about a lot of the instruments in class and what they are, but we can group them into families. So the first one is called the wood family. Now let's see. We have some instruments back here that are in the wood family. So here's one. Here's one. Here's one. Okay, so wood family instruments are obviously made out of wood. Now, there are instruments in the other families that have wood on them, but the wood is not what makes the sound. Something else makes the sound. So for example, these claves are made out of wood, and the wood part is what makes the sound.
We've got our tone block.
There we go.
Castanets. Sometimes they're made of plastic, but it's really a wood instrument.
Really wooden.
What else we got? Rhythm sticks.
And then,
You've got a tone drum.
right, we have a tone drum. Kind of like a tone block set like we have at Norwood. We have our fake Wiro.
That's right.
We'll have a real Wiro next week. But, so there's all these different instruments that are made out of wood that make all different types of sounds, but they're all in the same family, and that's the wood family. Okay? Then we have our metal family.
We haven't got very many metals up
We
here
don't have
today.
very many here
with us right
with
now.
us right now, but you all know we have them at
We got
school.
a triangle over there.
Triangle. Tambourine.
That's right. The thing that makes the sound here isn't the drum head, but
Little metal parts. And other instruments that we don't have, like finger cymbals and the cowbell, those are all made out of metal, and they all sound like they're made out of metal. And those are the metal family of instruments. And then last but not least, we have the skin instruments, which are our hand drums. So this is not probably actually made out of skin, like animal skin. A long time ago, though, that's how they made drums. So in order for it to be a skin instrument, you have to make the sound by hitting the skin of the instrument. It's loud. All right, so what we want you to do, we want you to figure out with the instrument that you made, is it a skin, is it a metal, or is it a wood?
yeah, some of our friends probably made some stuff with plastic, so
Mm.
you need to think about.
You have to think about, ooh, if this was the real instrument and not one that I made at home, is it a wood, is it a skin, or is it a metal? So like, what would our egg shakers be? What would our shakers be?
I think just like the maracas, they're all really made out of wood.
So they're really wood instruments, even though your eggs or your water bottles are made out of plastic. But you have to figure it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is with our rhythms up here on the wall, we're gonna say one of them goes with metal, one of them goes with skin, and one of them goes with wood. And when I point to it, after we say our poem, you are going to play your rhythm, okay? So, we're gonna say this top rhythm, ta, ta, ta. That is our wood rhythm. Then our next rhythm, the ti, 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 ta, is the metal rhythm. And then ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, our bottom rhythm right here, is the skin. So let me get one of each of those skins. Now, you do not have to have all three. You can just have one, and whenever your rhythm, whenever it's your turn, you're gonna play that rhythm. All right, are we ready? Okay. Let's say the poem first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Johnny caught a flea. Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Johnny caught a flea. Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee. One, two, three. Johnny caught a flea. Flea died. Johnny cried. Tee hee hee. Very good. So, at home, see if you can play all of those rhythms on your instrument, even if it wasn't your turn to play. Now this would have been a lot more fun to play with all your friends at school. We know, and we miss you too. But at least we can have fun at the Ford's Marvelous Music Room. And we will see you again next week. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Bye.